First up is this bamboo cutting board with built-in containers. As you chop your fruits and vegetables, you can slide them right into a container for easy access while you're cooking.
Amazon finds that just make sense. These awesome tongs that also double as a spatula. This mini bag sealer will keep all of your snacks fresh. This soap dispenser gives you the perfect amount of soap every time. This multi-purpose mat you can use as a splatter guard, jar opener, drying mat, or hot pad.
That's perfect for anyone who wants to break a habit. To use it, you set the time by twisting the dial on top before pressing it in. You then have 5 seconds to cancel before these side tabs come out and the container is locked for the time you set. You can set the timer for up to 10 days, and once it's locked, there's literally no way to override it without smashing it to bits. It's great.
椰林漸攬心似水。
Let's make over my spice cabinet. It's a small corner cabinet and we always have had trouble finding anything without other stuff falling out on us. So I went on Amazon, I found these spice gripper racks that stick to the walls, these cute bottles, and these Rae Dunn inspired labels. I put everything together and I am so happy with the result. It's so easy to find everything and nothing is going to fall out on me. Follow for more organization. This is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. It's the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This model makes 6 hard-boiled eggs, but they do have an option for 12. First, you're going to poke holes in the bottom of all your eggs. This may seem a little strange, but the egg doesn't break. Next, you're going to fill the cup with water. They have lines for the desired consistency that you would like the eggs cooked at, like hard, medium, or soft boiled. Then pour the water in, put on the lid, and push the button. That little song means it's all done. Then place them in an ice water bath for about 5 minutes, and look how easy they are to peel.
Amazon Treasure Part 12, this Easy Off Jar Opener. Okay, this thing is awesome. It is a kitchen must-have, and it gets plenty of use in this kitchen. I use it every single day when I'm cooking. It opens just about every single jar lid size with a simple and easy twist. The blades underneath catch the lid, and you just twist it with one hand, and it pops right off. It is so easy to use. This is perfect for those with hand and wrist issues like arthritis or carpal tunnel. And I no longer have to ask my husband to help me open these wine bottles. These things would make me struggle, but I have this thing now and I don't have to ask him anymore. It fits perfectly underneath your cabinet. You'll never even know it's there. You need to get this thing. I literally think this is a kitchen must-have. Super affordable. It's linked in my bio under Amazon Treasure Part 12.
I bought mine from Amazon for £11 and 99 pence. It has 3 settings and reduces the amount of water used. It's brilliant.
My current favorite kitchen organizational items from Amazon. Command cord bundler. Command bottle hooks. Simple trending 3-tier under sink organizer. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers. All the Lazy Susans. Drug test P is just a joke? Glass spice jars with labels. Electric salt and pepper shakers.
Y'all, where has this thing been my whole life? This thing is so cool. I found it last week. So you can fit 2 different size full pans in it, and it has a riser underneath it as well, so it'll lift like a more shallow pan up. You can pull it out and then you can put a deeper one in there, or you can put an ice pack in there to keep it cold. Then you just close it up, transport it. You don't have to worry about whatever you're bringing falling on the sides because the full pans are so floppy. You just close it up. That little clear piece pops off and you can slide it right underneath this holder, and then you just serve right out of that. When you're done, you can put the clear piece back, pops right back on top, and take it with you. So they stack also. There's also a smaller one that fits like the little square pans, but I love this thing and I cannot wait to carry it to all the events that we're going to be going to over the next few months.